How much do you need to spend to build a reliable NAS? Many people think you need expensive hardware, but today I will show you the NAS I built for less than $400. He runs OpenMediaVault inside Proxmox, uses RAID 1 for protection, and gives me plenty of storage for my home lab. So why I built my home NAS? Because I wanted local storage, no monthly cloud fees, data protection, easy backups, and something I could expand later. So building my home NAS was the perfect solution. Okay, this is the hardware I bought to run my home NAS. This mini PC with 16 GB of RAM, 500 GB internal SSD for Proxmox, and 2 Western Digital 5 TB USB drives. Some people ask me why RAID 1? Because RAID 1 keeps an exact copy of my data on both drives. If one drive fails, my files are still available on the second drive. After connecting your mini PC to the power to your local network, first thing first is to install Proxmox. So we need to create a boot USB with Proxmox, install it, and configure the networking of our mini PC. Okay, once Proxmox has been installed and ready to run, we can create a VM, install OpenMediaVault, and configure the storage. Then we need to install OpenMediaVault, so create a VM, install OpenMediaVault, and then configure the storage. For configuring the storage, I mean creating the RAID 1. So if you go to storage, RAID management, create RAID 1 array. And as I said before, you can improve reading speed. And if one of the disks fails, your data is still safe. But remember, RAID is not a backup. Here, share and access, where you can create your SMB or NFS shares, giving permission, and here we are. You can use your NAS for everything you want, like movies, documents, backups, storing ISO files, Plex media. So, how much I spend for everything? For mini PC, $239, and for the 2 USB 5 TB drives, each one $80, so a total of $160. Total of my expenses, $399.